forest in anyone. At the how brave pa, Nama and Siono, and to mean 20 billion said in Sioneton. Ya kwa do afua amfofo no wo do kora bo do wane na enye ye wi abosa nsuo nto na mo roba ni nyina esi wo kora na fumire ntimi enyini yenye bi te de aho kire bra ye ya sentinam ene ye ma ye enye sika kora mfa nhwe ye ma esuku te ne ye ma no na bi kora gufie ne wo ekokọ afuom te kwa ye ne se ye ne de haw abra ye papa
as na ye nua enua wo ye fuom no se pedisia yana cocoa no twama efise yana heat kano enti eti twama enti afe no beso na cocoa no esoro no nyina awu enti entimi nso
mampanyufo ne di project UNDP ene Mondelez na Cocoa Board wo mo di ba ye se ye nua wo mo baka ye na kanya me se first na wo ho na boa me enti se me sa bedua na se forest ne sa ba ebe boa me na boa ye ma aboa ye na no nchirima aboa wo man ne importable ha nyina nti na se me di me hu wuram na me do bie ma forest no esa ba be si ni dada mu se the first si ne wo ni dada mu na aboa me.
Mondelez International, through their Cocoa Life program, in collaboration with UNDP and Ghana Cocoa Board, are implementing the modified Tunja system in the Ayun Forest Reserve. The aim of this exercise is to reforest the degraded forest. Plots are allocated to the farmers. They use their own resources to do land clearing and everything. Then the project supports them with tree seedlings. We also provide technical assistance for lining and pegging, as well as demonstrations on how to plant the tree seedlings. And so the farmers do this mainly whilst they are planting the trees. They also integrate food crops. And under the MTS, crops like plantain, cocoyam, vegetables, cereals like maize are permitted. But these are mainly annual crops. After 2 years, they taper off and the farmers' interest begins to go down. So the key issue is that how do we maintain the interest of the farmers beyond 3 years? And in an effort to provide a solution, we have decided to provide a performance-based incentive package for the participating farmers. Under that package, we give cash incentive based on the number of surviving trees you have on your farm. We do a tree census, count the trees one by one, and accordingly pay you for the number of surviving trees. In addition to that, all participating farmers were given a Wellington boot and a cutlass. And for the 2 fringe communities that are mostly at the MTS, we bought 2 tricycles for each of them, 4 in all for the 2 communities, to be used as farm transport for both their farm produce and to convey them to their farms to work. So under our PES package, we are giving out both cash and in-kind contribution, all in an effort to incentivize the farmers to maintain their farms for at least the next 6 years until total canopy closure. Yes, so all the work we are doing here is closely linked with climate change. And Mondelez is a cocoa processing entity, and they source most of their cocoa beans from farmers around this area. So this project works closely with the Mondelez Cocoa Life program. And so for them to meet the requirements under the current dispensation, they have to source from responsible areas. And so the company decided to get involved in this forest rehabilitation effort as their contribution to the overall climate change solutions required by this country.
We started this project with Mondelez International in the year 2013. And UNDP are giving technical backstopping in this project with Cocoa Board as the implementers of the project. The aim of the project is to help our farmers grow agriculture smart cocoa, which is a sustainability aspect of the agriculture. Before then, Cocoa Board support farmers with tree planting to form shade in their cocoa farm to support production. Cocoa Board alone cannot do this thing. That's the reason why it's very important that we engage private partners. And Mondelez has come in. The project actually helped Cocoa Board. Why am I saying this? Had it not because of Mondelez International, we cannot reach the area or the suffix that we reach today, we cannot get there. We are here because of Mondelez and support from UNDP. We are very thankful to them.
The Jimedino, Nina Ejina, say, Yabo Abadio, a buy. Basua, they are Brian Casapa, say, near Basabasa, Umuchawo, your communities, Cecilia Sanyamano, Abrasi. So we cry between Bia, Tisse, Yanisia, Yanene Kamwasam and Sana. Intend to say first, ma, would be a fat since we be a new teacher in Yakono.
A cream and also him a boy chess a woman by in your dear and near the boy papa. He sent a ma and Sassin first pan and consume to name the mono. Nam near Diana came up over boy again. A mass family woman. In Shoto, Nibrum, Tambia.
Diana, a woman so a mammy, Faswa, a ma, a real Emma assassin baby. Ma Cocoa no soa, a whom Diano Bama, a whom a tun. A ma a fuyensu and fubi brie or assassinum. In moi, a almost seriously assassinuma. Niamani yensu because of Bianuti a protected omu ma omusu omu assassin fine and my
Biano and Patois and the Babylon. Mecha found 40%. Ya quite grow chrono a yetimano. Chrono such a found 5%. And Sana Yomuso, almost such a found 15%. And Sana, one other sene, a Cocoa Board. And UNDP for us, so much found 40%. This I mean, dear Diana, my one fast woe. I'm a banner in Diana, and my manigia. A sam, I'm in Frama. The birth from Ranimaniaji Pan Frama, a feminine. And my manigia would say, in Sion Swat, 90 minton. She said, Diana mentioned 80 minutes, and when you believe, said the first enough for us in all. And Fiona Toy. And ma. And Nobano, I ye. I'm a more than me trap, a best me trap 10 million. And to me the boy me could, I mean, I share your money.
As I said, dear, you dear me our phone, so I'm a cocoon, why, come, cocoa in your home, come, a fish so, Nepedia, a chama, it's your fellow, and so nephew, why not cry free 5 bars, a couple 8 bars, which me now 1 acre. Maybe a idea. 12.53 acres. Na mo bi wo baby ani na aka bom a 25.5 acres. Yenya na ebi ayo no. Aboa ama kokoro na kama. Se kokoro si ma fine ti. Agrikefo no ba be hwe afuo no. Omo se afuo ma ye ni yi. Nti omo bom aba so. Ah o mama me original best farmer